The Day the Punctuation Came to Town, written by Kimberly Gard and illustrated by Sandy Sonke. Let's make some predictions about the book. What could be the book about? Who are the main characters of the book? What can be the setting in the book? Why has the author written this book? A new family moved to Alphabet City. The punctuations. Exclamation point led the way to their first day at a new school. Let's hurry! He exclaimed. I can't wait to get there. We are going to have so much fun. Exclamation point was always excited about something. Question mark wondered what it would be like. Do you think everyone will be nice? Are we going the right way? Should we ask for directions? Period followed, bringing the line to a close. Let's go. I'll tell you when to stop. Comma kept pausing. Wait for me, please. When they walked into the school, exclamation point burst forward. Hi everyone! The little letters stared. Who are you? They asked. You don't look like letters. We are not letters! Exclamation point explained. We are the punctuation family. The punctuation who? The letters were confused. I'm exclamation point and this is question mark, comma and period. We are different from letters, but we love being around words. The punctuations joined the class. The letters worked to make words. Exclamation point, question mark, and period joined in the fun. Exclamation point added excitement to words. Question mark asked a lot of questions. Period brought each sentence to a tidy end. Comma tried not to get stepped on and fit in wherever he could. As the day wore on, comma began to feel smaller and smaller. The letters love making words, but I just get in the way and I keep them apart. He whispered to himself, no one wants me here. When no one was looking, comma snuck out the door. Inside the classroom, exclamation point was creating a great deal of excitement. The letters were cheering and hurrying to make words. Shouldn't we quiet down? Question mark asked. But no one heard her over the noise. The letters kept making words faster and faster and faster. Soon words were everywhere. There were so many words, they all became jumbled. Period hurried to stop them, but the letters tripped over her and collided. With a thundering crash, the letters fell, one after another, until they all tumbled through the door, spilling into the hall. Comma stared in shock. The letters were piled, the words all tangled. Exclamation point, question mark, and period ran into the hallway. They saw the heap of letters and then they saw comma. What are you doing out here? Question mark asked. I didn't think anyone wanted me around, comma sighed. I just slowed down everything down, comma. Without you, things become a disaster. Exclamation point said, pointing to the pile of letters and words. Period nodded. Slowing things down is your job, and words need you. Didn't you know when we are with words, we all have a job to do? Question mark asked. I add excitement! Exclamation point burst out. Have a question? Question mark asked. That's what I'm here for. And I put a stop to things, period said. We are the punctuation family and we all work together to help the letters and words they make. Pick which one of the two sentences is correct. Let's eat grandma. Let's eat grandma.